Hello, first graders. It's Miss Smith again. Today in our mini lesson, we are going to continue working on pronouns. Yesterday, we talked about personal pronouns, and we said that a personal pronoun takes the place of a noun that is a person. So we made this little chart here, and we said that a personal pronoun takes the place of a noun. So our noun, we could have used Cinderella and changed it to the personal pronoun she. Instead of saying Cinderella went to the ball, we could say she went to the ball. We said the prince is the noun that could change to he. Instead of saying the prince found the slipper, we could say he found the slipper. John and Billy are two people. We could say John and Billy sat next to each other, or we could say they sat next to each other. These are all examples of personal pronouns. It takes the place of a noun that is a person. Today we're going to talk about a new kind of pronoun, and it's called a possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun is a word that shows who owns the noun. Okay, so if you possess something, it means you own it. This is my water bottle, or that tape is mine. We use words like my or mine to show that they belong to us. Well, when you're talking about other people, here are some more examples of possessive pronouns, or words that show who owns the noun. So we might use words like your, his, her, our, their. All of these words show who owns the noun, or who that person, place, or thing belongs to. Let's look at some examples in some sentences. Lisa's mom is coming to school. Well, Lisa's, we call this a possessive noun. It's showing whose mom is coming to school. It's Lisa's. Here's another one. Joe's pen is over there. Joe's pen would be our noun. Well, whose pen is it? It's Joe's pen. So this is our possessive noun. The girl's cat got out of the house again. Move it down so you can see that word. The girl's cat is our noun, but the girls is our possessive noun. It shows whose cat is it? Well, it's the girls. Last sentence. The family's house is on my street. Whose house is on my street? The family's. The family's is our possessive noun. It shows whose house it is. So let's see how we could change these possessive nouns into pronouns. Remember, we use pronouns in our writing to make it sound more interesting. Let's try it. Lisa's mom is coming to school. Which one of these possessive nouns possessive pronouns could we replace Lisa's with? Did you say her? I could change Lisa's to her, and it would say her mom is coming to school. So I could change this, Lisa's, into her. Her mom is coming to school. Okay, let's look at the next one. Joe's pen is over there. Whose pen? It's Joe's. Well, how could I change Joe's into a possessive pronoun? Did you say his? That would work. His pen is over there. So instead of saying his name, we can change it to the pronoun his pen is over there. Okay. The girl's cat got out of the house again. All right, we want to change the girl's. That's our possessive noun. It shows whose cat it is. into one of these pronouns? Did you say her? Her cat. We would need to take out the. Her cat got out of the house again. Last one. The family's house is on my street. Whose house? It's the family's. We want to change it to a possessive pronoun. So which one of these would work? If you said their, you are correct. Their makes the most sense. So I could say, instead of the families, I would change it to their. Their house is on my street. We used these possessive pronouns to take the place of a noun and make the sentences a little more interesting. Remember, sometimes it's okay to use their names and to use nouns. But in order to make our writing more interesting, we need to know how to use pronouns so we don't use the same words over and over again. So you're going to practice changing these possessive nouns into pronouns. So you will see two sentences here. You're going to change the possessive noun in red to a possessive pronoun. Type the pronoun in the blue box. So here are your examples of the chart that we have here. Your, his, her, our, their. The sentences say, the family's house is next door. How would I change the family's into a pronoun? You're going to type that pronoun, one of these, in the box in blue. The teacher's car is blue. Blank car is blue. How would I change the teacher's into a possessive pronoun? For this one, there might be more than one answer. That is your hint. Fill in the possessive pronoun in both blue boxes to show your teacher that you understand how possessive pronouns work. Great job today.